Good morning, girls. Today we discuss about the pure oligopoly price. Now we analyze how prices are determined in the case of the pure oligopoly. That is, oligopolist selling a homogeneous commodity. The first is independent pricing. For the sake of simplicity, let us assume that all oligopoly firms have identical cost and equal share of the market. In the diagram, AR is the demand curve of an oligopoly firm. MR is the marginal revenue curve and MC the marginal cost curve. MR and MC curves intersect at E, so the firm is in equilibrium with output OQ and price OP. It maximizes profit in this situation of equilibrium. It can be generalized that when demand and cost conditions of oligopoly firms are almost it maximizes profit in the situation of equilibrium. It can generalized that when demand and cost conditions of oligopoly firms are almost identical, independent action of each firm determines the equal price of the commodity. This generalization, however, is not all because the price so determined in the monopoly price. The reason for the determination of monopoly price is that the number of firms is a very small and not that the oligopolists try to maximize profit. The assumption of maximum profit will not be a something extraordinary for the oligopolist. When the number of sellers is a very large, each firms can think that the impact of its price policy will be so negligible for others that its rivals will take no notice of it. So in order to sell more, each firm lowers its price. When the number of firms in the industry is small and one firm does not notice the price cut by others, competitive price will be determined. But the reality is that in the case of only a few firms, only few firms in the industry, the action of one firm will be noted by others and proper reaction will follow. Hence, it becomes the doubtful that independent pricing is possible under oligopoly. Second is a price wars. Often oligopolists are fired by the attribution of increased sales and an influential place in the industry. Pure oligopolists are likely to take the help of advertisements to attain their ambitions. Policy of price cutting may also be developed for this purpose, but price cutting policy is adopted by oligopolists with great hesitation because it may spoil the market or may lead to a retaliation and it may be against the business ethics. Yet, price cutting may be adopted if oligopolist is ambitions are the experts that other firms will resort to it after a long time gap. Now, okay, girls.